So we've got our first snow, but there's no time to play. We've got plenty to do, and that is including cleaning up inside, because we threw everything inside and now we have to sort it all out. Things that you shouldn't forget. Things like this. These are the covering caps for the door hinges, and you kind of leave them off because, you know, you want to paint it and all this kind of stuff, but you kind of forget it, which is not great. And they just kind of like snap on, so they're really getting easy to put on. There we go. One. But otherwise, you know how it is. It's laying around, gets moved by somebody else, gets lost, and then you open a cafe and you realise, oh, something's missing from this picture. Looking nice today, huh? I've just been playing around with the new light sensors. Got a sensor on the roof, 2 lights, and one up there, and one downstairs. They're a little bit weak, don't pick up everything like at the end of the hallway. But it's the first lights in the house, so it's pretty good. You know, some utility lights, and then we'll start getting in more. So we put in a couple of basic lights, and now it's crash course in putting in a plug. These little fittings are quite good. Basically, cables just snap in there, the bottom part. Just got to cut them to the right length. Got the live, the neutral and the earth cable all lined up. Goes in like this to the holder that we've already got in there. Yeah, should slot on, and then alright, a plug. The first one. So here I am putting in the plugs. It is a slow process. I guess I'll get a little bit quicker the more I do. But basically, black is live, blue is neutral, and the green is the earth. So, and we've got, of course, circuits in different sections of the rooms or in the house. So we've got wires coming from the right and going through the left. And I'm just going to make sure that both the plugs are linked up together. It's quite a nice system. The wires literally just you just stick them in and they kind of click and hold. So that's good. Of course, you've just got to make sure there's enough wire to play with. It's a little bit tough if they're short. Seems to be working. I guess the test will be if they actually do work. This is my plug and switch job. Got all the parts I need to fill in all the holes.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on both the ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on both the ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Good morning. So every Friday at the crack of dawn, or just before, fill a car up with cheese and bread and cakes and drive to the market. So we run a market on Fridays, most Fridays of the year, right up until Christmas, and I thought I'd show you that today. We don't produce the cheese ourselves, but we collect all of the best local cheeses that we can find, and we sell those on, and we make bread and cakes and things like Christmas cookies ourselves. So this is the heart of Selim Sea, the marketplace. It's a small marketplace, it's a small town really. And right now we're just 2 stands and the Christmas market, but that's not open in the morning. Yep. And that's how it looks. Our neighbour with the meat. And we've got some cheese and bread and good stuff. Christmas. Yeah. Cake, cookies and Bauernkrapfen. So they have a nice little Christmas market here too, which kind of follows our food market at this time of year. It's not normally here, of course, but now it's looking like Christmas, so it's fitting. So I've got the trailer on the back.